Nkululeko takes some Fikile DNA from hairbrush. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seed from the 25th to the 29th of October 2021 on Monday. Fikile is frustrated when Buhle goes on a joyride in her brand new car. Lulu recovers from her emergency, but her granny comes to see her. Will she disown her this time on Tuesday? Nompi instructs Nkululeko to break off his relationship with Fikile and shocks him when she revealed that he and Fikile are bounded by blood. Is this relationship doomed on Wednesday? Kamadonsela and Kanyo are shocked when Nkululeko wants to consult with Kamadonsela's Kobela. Buhle learns Msamo is still closing. She has an idea what to do with her future and makes an offer to buy the place on Thursday. Nkululeko takes some Fikile's DNA from a hairbrush. Is he concerned that Nompi might be telling the truth? On Friday, Fikile's test results are back and it's not good news. She has endometriosis and might be infertile. Nkululeko decides to bury his mother in a communal cemetery and asks Buhle to help him because his mother's family are less than useless. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.